Hi, this is my short YouTube story, even shorter. On October 17th, 2021, I uploaded my very first video, and later in November, I met Korean YouTuber with 334,000 subscribers on YouTube. We collaborated, and thanks to him, I reached 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch hours that are needed on the platform to be monetized. That was in December, and then it took me 5 months to reach $100 threshold. This is how little money you can make as a small YouTuber like me, in case you were wondering. So finally, at the beginning of July, I was able to withdraw my money from AdSense and decide how to spend it. I wanted it to be special. I needed a haircut, and my $136 in New York City would only get half of my hair done. So I decided to cut it myself. I don't even have a comb, I'm using my brush, but I do have proper scissors. This side is a little longer than this one, so I had to make them even. I just wanted to say that of course I can afford a haircut, and of course I can go to a salon and make my hair perfectly even or whatever, but I really don't care how long or short my hair is, or how even it is, or how perfect it is, and I never liked the salon environment. If I can do it home and not worry about it, not get stressed out about it, why shouldn't I, you know? I've seen hairdressers doing this, and I'm not sure why I'm doing this, but it seems like an important step, so there we go. If you're a hairdresser and watching this video, I'm really sorry that you have to watch me and struggle like that. Well, this is it. It's probably not perfect. It wouldn't win any kind of international hairdressing competition, but I'm happy. This is exactly what I needed and what I wanted. Let's buy a ticket now. What ticket, you ask? Well, with the remaining money, I bought a train ticket to Niagara Falls to work as a Worldpackers volunteer. Worldpackers.com is a great platform for people who want to travel very cheap or even for free sometimes. You find a place to work for 3 or 5 hours a day in exchange for free accommodation and food. It can be a hostel, hotel, farm, school, or just regular families needing help with building stuff or raising children. Ideally, you get to meet and work with nice people and truly immerse yourself in the local culture. This video is not sponsored in any sense, but I do have a discount code for you if you're interested in doing something similar. It's in the description down below. Hi! Oh my god. Say hi! Say hi! Say something, Coop. Say something. Whoa! So he's gonna be picked up today at night, and then I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going to a little guest house for 3 weeks in Niagara Falls, American side. I will talk about my Worldpackers experience in the next video on this channel. Cooper hung around for emotional support. I watered my plants, left some instructions for the next person who's subletting my room for a couple of months, and went to the train station. Couple people have asked me if there is still such thing as dollar pizza in New York City, and that it is. I feel like every time I come here there's a new skyscraper, I swear to God. This journey was 9 hours, which sounds like a lot, and it is a lot. I've never been a patient child or a teenager. I wanted things to be done right away. I wanted buses to be on time always, and if traffic was delaying me somewhere, I would freak out. I think it's safe to say that I'm not the same way right now, and that's because I put a lot of time and effort into training myself. I met this person once who was probably one of the calmest and most relaxed person I've ever seen. He was into Buddhist ideology and practiced mindfulness and meditation. Getting to know him made me realize how much of my energy was being wasted on stupid things that I would never be able to alter. But what I could change though was how I reacted to them. Traveling long distances really trains your patience. It's almost like a muscle that becomes stronger after every long journey and delayed flight or terrible traffic. Navigating in New York subway is like getting ready for the patience Olympics or something. I'm not as chill as I would love to be, but I'm getting there. On this train, I was not rushing my mind anywhere. I was just sitting, relaxing, and getting some stuff done. I was kind of proud of myself. Also, I was thinking about how my perception of long distance changed after living in America. You have to know that I come from a tiny country. You can ride through entire Georgia in 10 hours. Nobody drives for 1 hour to go to a restaurant. Even a 30-40 minutes ride seems like a long journey, when here in the US, you can't even cross a border of a state in 10 hours sometimes. One of my couchsurfing hosts once told me that in Europe, 200 miles is a long distance, but in America, 200 years is a long time. He was referring to the fact that Europe has a long history compared to the States, but everything is so close, people think going from Paris to Barcelona is a long trip. It's funny how culture and language can change your perception of time and space. We think they exist objectively without us, but different people experience time and space differently. I am sure about that. Anyways, I am here in Niagara Falls. I got off the train station. I was waiting for my Uber for 10 minutes. It didn't come. The lift doesn't work here. So I'm actually walking there, which doesn't sound like the safest option because it's night and I'm in a new town and it's raining a little bit, but I mean, what else can I do, right? I don't like this. But it's only 20 something minutes walk, so hopefully I'll be there soon. Literally nobody in the streets. This is really not smart of me. I was sure there would be Uber or Lyft here, but I could do a little bit more research or ask my host or something. Because this happened to me before too in Atlanta, Georgia, and I didn't like the situation and I told myself I would be smarter than this, but here I am, not learning from my mistakes. Okay, I'm almost there though, I'm fine. Okay, the house is supposed to be on this road here, so I'm like 3 minutes away. It feels somehow safer when I talk to the camera. I don't know why. Thank you for keeping me safe, guys. Okay, here it is. This is mine here. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's a third floor. Okay. All right. Here I am. Beautiful. All right, I got this whole place for myself. And there's a bathtub. God knows if I'm gonna use this or not. There's the little bathroom. My host left me some food in the fridge. It's nice of them. Okay, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna rest now. I'll see you tomorrow. this roaring power, destroying power of water is very scary to me. When I see these logs or little islands in the river, I fantasize about holding on to them if I somehow end up in the water. Is that weird? Is there something wrong with me? I'm not chill right now. Anyway, the reason why I'm here, as I told you in the beginning of the video, is the platform called Worldpackers. I'm volunteering here in a guest house. I get a bed, a free bed obviously, and some food. Carol, my boss, is not providing any food right now, but she's giving me some pocket money so I can go buy some groceries and then feed myself. Basically what's happening is that you really stay there for free. You meet nice people, you explore the place, and you get some local sense out of the place, which I always appreciate. The exciting news about this video or Worldpackers is that they found me, and this is not a sponsored video, but we do have some partnership right now. People who've been following me on this channel and supporting me from the day 1 or day 100 should be excited about this, because when I got their email, I felt like, I don't know, I felt very happy because there were some people, a company that I admire, who found value in my work and who wanted to collaborate, and that's exciting. That's exciting news, and you should be excited for me. I hope you are. If you want to volunteer, you could do all kinds of work. You could go to hostels, guest house like I do, or farms. Organic farms are a big thing on the platform. Summer camps, some kind of school projects, like all kinds of stuff really. Some people just need photographers or videographers as well. So if you want to register on the website, you can use the discount code. You'll get $10 off, and I'll also get some commission from it. I want to be transparent and honest to you. I will never ever do any kind of sponsorship if I don't believe in the company, and I do believe in the good deed of Worldpackers. Anyway, if you have any questions about the Worldpackers, please let me know in the comments below. I'll probably gonna make a whole full length video of what my regular days like here as a volunteer, and this town has something to share more than just the waterfall, so I'll show you that too in the next video. I love you guys very much. I hope you're excited for me, and see you next week. Mwah. Bye.